Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this occasion, allow me to introduce myself. My full name is Siti Hajar. I'm a communication student at University of Mataram. Today, I would like to share my perspective on the documentary Pesta Babi from a communication point of view. In my opinion, the main issue presented in this documentary is not simply a conflict between development and indigenous communities. The deeper problem is the imbalance of power in communication. Ideally, communication should create equal opportunities for all parties to express their views and participate in decision making. However, the film shows that governments and corporations often have greater access to information, media exposure, and decision-making processes, while local communities have limited opportunities to make their voices heard. As a result, communication becomes one-sided. Instead of functioning as a dialogue, it functions as a tool to deliver decisions that have already been made. When people feel unheard, mistrust grows and social conflict become more likely to occur. From a communication perspective, this documentary also highlights the role of media in shaping public awareness. Through Pesta Babi, issues that may have received little public attention are brought into wider discussion. The documentary encouraged audiences to think critically about environmental protection, indigenous rights, and the human impact of development projects. Looking ahead, the future of communication will be shaped by digital technology and social media. These platforms give marginalized communities new opportunities to share their stories and reach broader audiences. Voices that were once ignored can now participate in public conversations and influence public opinion. However, technology alone cannot solve communication problems. What is truly needed is the participatory communication. Communication that not only speaks to communities but also listens to them. Sustainable development can only be achieved when all stakeholders are involved in meaningful dialogue and mutual understanding. In conclusion, Pesta Babi reminds us that development is not only about economic growth or infrastructure, it is also about communication, representation, and participation. The film teaches us that when certain voices are excluded from important conversations, conflict becomes inevitable. Therefore, effective communication should not only focus on delivering information but also on ensuring that every affected community has the opportunity to be heard, respected, and involved in shaping its future. Another important point that can be learned from documentary Pesta Babi is that communication is closely related to social justice. Communication is not only about delivering message effectively, but also about ensuring that different groups in society have equal opportunities to participate in discussion that affects their lives. When some voices are consistently overlooked, communication loses its democratic function and becomes less effective in addressing public concerns. The documentary also reminds us that every development project has human stories behind it. Statistics, policies, and economic targets often receive the most attention, but the experiences of individuals and communication are equally important. Through storytelling, documentaries like A Pesta Babi help audience connect with these experiences on a more personal level, making complex social issues easier to understand and related to. In addition, this film encourages audiences to become more active consumers of information. Rather than accepting information at face value, people should be willing to explore different perspectives and consider how various groups may be affected by a particular issue. This critical approach is increasingly important in today's information-rich environment, where multiple viewpoints can be accessed through different media platforms. Ultimately, the documentary Pesta Babi demonstrates that communication is most effective when it promotes understanding rather than simply transmitting information. By fostering respect, openness, and meaningful engagement, communication can help create solutions that are more inclusive and beneficial for everyone involved. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.